Everywhere you go on the internet, you hear content creators talking about building their brand. What exactly is a brand and why is it important? A brand is basically your aesthetic, what subject or subjects you usually cover as a creator that people are interested in. Some examples would be nature, cute, goth, punk, retro, basically any topic that can be turned into an aesthetic. Most VTubers follow one of these things unintentionally. I'll talk about how to design a model based on these things in a video soon, so watch out for that if you're interested. For now, I'm just talking about how branding is used as a VTuber. Let's say you know what your brand is. How do you show it? The answer to that is everywhere possible. Your icon, your banner, your logo, your overlay, your outfits, your art, basically everything you produce. Thinking of a clothing brand or an artist, what is the one thing that they're doing that all of their pieces share? That is their brand. So why exactly is branding important? Well, I personally don't like branding since I, like most people, have multiple interests that have nothing to do with each other. For example, my brand is simple, cute, and cozy. However, my favorite music is power metal, and I'm fascinated by supernatural creatures, which usually falls into the horror category. While people know of my music interests at this point thanks to my drawing streams, I don't draw or post supernatural creatures because it doesn't fit into my brand. I could, but according to the most successful people out there, it's important to stick to one thing because it's important to create an audience that wants to stay. And if you constantly change what you're doing, that audience will constantly be changing as well. All in all, I made this video as a small warning to those who rebrand a lot. Even though people change, it's best to find what resonates with you the most, even if you do have interests elsewhere. If you're doing VTubing as a hobby, then feel free to ignore this, but considering you're this far in the video, you might be slightly interested in growing an audience. I'll be uploading a video about designing your VTuber next, so make sure to subscribe if you're interested in that. I'll see you then. Bye bye!